Natural lip balms, small batch lip balms with natural flavors and oils, the art of the Pout. Why small batch natural lip balms are the ultimate beauty essential. If you've ever found yourself mindlessly reapplying lip balm every 20 minutes only to feel like your lips are getting drier, you're not imagining things. For decades, the beauty industry has relied on a loophole of hydration, using ingredients that create a temporary seal while simultaneously stripping away your skin's natural ability to hold moisture. But as we move further, the secret is out. Savvy shoppers are moving away from the mass-produced petroleum-packed sticks found in every checkout aisle and turning towards something much more intentional, small batch, natural lip balms. The shift toward organic small batch skincare isn't just a passing trend. It's a fundamental change in how we view self-care and environmental responsibility. When you choose a lip balm made in small quantities with high-quality oils and natural flavors, you aren't just buying a product, you're investing in a philosophy of health, transparency, and artisan craftsmanship. The small batch difference, quality over quantity. In a world of automated factories and global supply chains, a small batch has become a beacon of quality. But what does it actually mean for your lips? When a brand produces in small batches, they are often making products by hand or in limited runs of a few hundred units rather than hundreds of thousands. This allows for a level of quality control that is simply impossible on a massive scale. Ingredient integrity. Natural oils like cold-pressed Jojoba or raw Shea butter are sensitive to heat and light. In massive factories, ingredients are often subjected to high temperatures to speed up production, which can degrade the vitamins and antioxidants that make these oils beneficial. Small batch makers tend to use lower temperatures and gentler mixing methods, keeping the life inside the ingredients intact. Freshness. Just like food, natural oils have a shelf life. Mass-produced balms might sit in a warehouse for a year before they even reach a store shelf. Small batch balms are often made and shipped within weeks, ensuring you get the full potency of the botanical extracts. Real flavors, forget mystery fruit scents. Small batch balms utilize essential oils and plant-derived extracts. When you smell a peppermint or vanilla bean small batch balm, you're smelling the actual plant, not a lab-created aromatic compound. Understanding the organic label. By now, we all know that natural is a loosely regulated term. However, organic lip balms carry a specific weight. To be truly organic, the ingredients must be grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Why does this matter for your lips? The skin on your lips is somewhat the thinnest on your entire body. It lacks the oil glands and protective layers found elsewhere, making it incredibly porous. Whatever you put on your lips, from pesticides to petroleum, has a high likelihood of being absorbed into your system or, let's be honest, being eaten as you talk, drink, and snack throughout the day. Choosing organic ensures that you aren't incidentally ingesting agricultural chemicals with your morning coffee. The anatomy of a perfect natural lip balm. What exactly should you be looking for on that tiny ingredient label? In the world of high-end natural lip care, a few superhero ingredients stand out for their ability to heal rather than just hide dryness. 1. The humectants and emollients, the moisture team. Shea butter. Extracted from the nuts of the karite tree, shea butter is a powerhouse of fatty acids and vitamins. It doesn't just sit on top of the skin. It penetrates deep to soften and soothe. Cocoa butter. This is what gives many natural balms that delicious chocolatey undertone. It's excellent for creating a protective barrier against harsh wind and cold. Technically a liquid wax, jojoba oil mimics the natural sebum produced by human skin. It's incredibly lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film. Avocado oil, rich in vitamin E and potassium. This oil is a savior for chapped, bleeding, or severely damaged lips. 1. The occlusives, the protectors. Beeswax, the gold standard for natural balms. It provides a breathable barrier that locks in moisture while allowing the skin to function normally. It also has mild antibacterial properties. Candelilla wax. For those seeking a vegan alternative to beeswax, this plant-based wax derived from the leaves of the candelilla shrub offers a similar protective seal and a beautiful glossy finish. 1. The natural flavors, the experience. Natural flavors have evolved far beyond basic lemon or orange. Modern artisans are using sophisticated steam distilled essential oils and CO2 extracts to create complex profiles. Vanilla bean CO2 extract offers a deep, warm, and authentic sweetness. Bulgarian lavender. Known for its calming properties, it's perfect for a nighttime lip balm. Wild peppermint provides a refreshing tingle that actually stimulates blood flow to the lips, giving them a natural, healthy flush. Ingredients to avoid the dirty list. To understand why small batch natural balms are so superior, we have to look at what they don't contain. Many commercial balms are filled with empty ingredients that do more harm than good. Petroleum jelly. While it's an effective barrier, it provides zero nutrients to the skin. It's a byproduct of the oil industry, and if not properly refined, can contain contaminants. Parabens, used as cheap preservatives to give mass-produced balms a 5-year shelf life. They are known endocrine disruptors. Phenol, menthol, and camphor. These are often added to medicated balms to provide a cooling sensation. In reality, they can be highly irritating and lead to a rebound effect where your lips feel even drier once the sensation wears off. Artificial dyes, often listed as red 40 or blue 1. These are synthetic additives that offer no benefit and can cause sensitivity in many users. The environmental impact. Beauty with a conscience. Choosing small batch isn't just a win for your skin, it's a win for the planet. Mass-produced beauty is a major contributor to plastic waste and carbon emissions. Small batch makers often lead the way in eco-friendly packaging. You'll frequently find these balms in compostable paper tubes, recyclable glass jars, or refillable metal tins. Furthermore, because these products are often made locally or sourced from small-scale farmers, the beauty miles, the distance ingredients travel, are significantly lower, reducing the overall carbon footprint of your morning routine. How to use natural lip balms for best results. Believe it or not, there is a right way to apply lip balm. Since natural balms are concentrated and lack the slippery fillers of commercial brands, a little goes a long way. Exfoliate first, once or twice a week. Use a gentle sugar scrub or even a damp washcloth to remove dead skin cells. This allows the oils in your balm to actually reach the fresh skin underneath. Damp application. Apply your balm right after you wash your face or get out of the shower. This helps lock in the water that's already on your skin. Nighttime ritual. Use a thicker layer of a cocoa butter-based balm before bed. Your body does its heaviest repair work while you sleep, and a lip mask of natural oils can work wonders overnight. Final thoughts. A small change with big results. Switching to a small batch natural and organic lip balm is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your daily routine. It's a moment of luxury, a tiny, flavorful ritual that honors your body and the environment. By choosing quality over quantity, you're supporting artisans who care about the ingredients they source and the people who use them. Next time you reach for a lip treatment, look past the bright, mass-marketed, marketed labels. Seek out the small makers, the organic certifications, and the pure botanical flavors. Your lips and the planet will thank you.